Understanding these two definitions will make you a better Airbnb host. I guarantee it. Let's jump right in. All right, welcome back, Airbnb family. We're talking about throughputs and bottlenecks. Yes. So these are management lingo things that you get when you're running Lean Six Sigma or Lean Manufacturing or whatever you smart guys do over there. So a throughput is how much time it takes to complete a function or a process. And a bottleneck is where a part of that process flow is restricted and other things are waiting on that to get done. So for example, your washer and dryer can be a bottleneck to the throughput of your cleaning process. Get it? So the reason why is your dryer may take 45 minutes for linens to dry, but you could have cleaned your entire apartment before the dryer's done, and now you're just with your arms crossed waiting for that dryer to finish. And that is wasting time. Every minute you sit like this, or that your cleaners, employees sit like this, you're paying them by the hour or per cleaning. If you pay them like me, you pay them by the hour, which we'll talk about in another video. But find a way to manage this throughput and this bottleneck, and here's how you do it. Have extra sheets, have extra linens. So if the dryer is not done, you can still make the bed. You can still fold up towels and put more towels up. It allows you to finish the place up before the dryer completes. You can even add into your house manual that the guest should expect on busier days that you may still have sheets or linens in the dryer, and to please not mind. And if they want to use the washer and dryer, they're fully allowed to, and even use your laundry detergent. Just move the linens into a hamper, like a designated clean hamper, or into the closet. And because of communication, they're not going to be weirded out when they find your sheets. Again, communication, which is one of your 5 things that you get graded on in your host review, matters. So manage your bottlenecks, look at the things that take you a bunch of time, and see if you can find a creative workaround, like extra linens for your bed. Thank you for watching Airbnb Automated, and I'll see you on the other side.